Good afternoon, and welcome to Morning Math with the Gallaghers. I'm Mrs. Gallagher.
Grant Gallagher. Special. This is not Morning Math with the Gallaghers. Instead, it's the special edition Afternoon Math with the Gallaghers. Oh no.
We had a very busy morning this morning, and we're not able to do our math in the morning, so we're doing it in the afternoon because we figured might as well do it at some point in time.
We have to.
And today we're going to be teaching you the game of
Sudoku.
So this is a very popular game that a lot of people play. A lot of people do it, but I wasn't sure that everybody knew how to play. So maybe you've heard of it before, but you've never really known, like, well, what are the rules and how do I play and how do I do this? And so we figured we'd run through the rules with you, kind of show you how to play, just in case you've never done it before. And Grant here, he's never done it before, so I'm going to be teaching him how to play while we teach you.
I know all the basics. I know the rules. I just don't know strategies and how to make those rules apply really nicely.
All right. So we're actually going to start with a super basic one today, just so that we can go through the. That's up to you. Just so that we can go through the rules with you quickly, and then I'll show you a website where you can play for free, and some of the strategies that people use also on that website or on the piece of paper as well. Oh yeah, basic. All right, well, while we're waiting for him, let me show you the website really quickly.
No longer! I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Never fear, Grant is here.
So this is the website that I got it from. It's the same website that we showed you skyscrapers, and skyscrapers is right here. And then we also showed you another game off this website. I don't remember which one it was. Do you remember, kiddo? Oh, the nonograms was also, there it is, this one right here. So lots of really fun mathy logic games on this website. So this is where you can play, and we'll show you again a little bit more later. All right, so let's go back to this game. So Grant, you said you know some of the rules. What do you know?
Well, I know that you have to have 9 different numbers in here, 1 to 9. You have to have them in each row and column. And
which ones are the rows? What? They might not know. Which ones are the rows?
I think these are rows.
Rows are going left to right, and columns are going up and down. And then there's darker lines containing each 9 square in each.
Yeah.
So every row needs a 1, every column needs a 1, and every square needs a 1.
Yeah.
So one of the things that I like to do before I even start the game, I'm going to borrow this, is I like to write the numbers over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so in total, we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of each number. And so once I get 9 of a number, I like to cross it out over here to remind myself, oh, I don't even need to look at that number anymore. I'm definitely have already written them all in there. All right, now Grant wrote an 8 right here, and I'm curious, Grant, why do you think that that one is 8? Because I'm not too confident that that one is definitely 8.
Well, it's in the numbers. These are all in here, canceling out any of these. 9 and 1 cross those out, and 8 crossing out right here. 8 crosses out right here. 2 other spots, was it crossing out down here? The only other spot an 8 could go would be right here.
And why can't an 8 go there? You decided it goes here. Why are you confident that the 8 goes there?
Because there's no 2 in these rows that actually will work. Like I don't know. It's just a really confident hunch.
Okay.
Find some actual definitions first.
So one thing that you can do when you have a hunch and you're not super confident is, instead of writing it really big, and this is why we use pencil, sometimes we'll write things really small. So Grant, I noticed you said the 8 can't go here. It could go there or there, and you just made a choice to put it here. But instead, why don't we put it small up here and small up here to remind myself, oh, one of those boxes has to be an 8.
And the other one has to be a 6, because this 6 is also blocking out these 2.
Oh, so then we can write that as well. So 8 or 6. So one of these is an 8 and one is a 6.
The other 2 are 3 and 1.
Not 3 and 1. There's already a 3 right here.
Oh, a 4 and a 1.
4 is right there.
Yeah.
You're going a little bit quick here, kiddo.
Oh yeah, wait.
Not a 4. 4 is right here. So the other numbers that we're missing, 1 and 9. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and put a 1 and 9 in that box and a 1 and 9 in this box. So another thing that I personally like to do in my head is I'll run through all the numbers and I'll say 1, and I'll notice that there's not a 1. And then I'll count 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'll notice that there's not a 6, 7, and then I'll notice there's not an 8, and I'll notice there's not a 9. So when I'm playing this game, I count through the numbers 1 through 9, constantly trying to figure out which one it is. So now I think I can help you find one. So I think that you can find where the 7 goes in this box.
Oh, the 7. Let's see. 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That crosses out from there. The 2 and the 7. The 7's crossed out right here.
So the 7s cannot be in this row because there's already a 7 in this row.
7 cannot be right here. 7 cannot be right here. The 7 has to go right here.
Okay, so now let's explain it to the people watching.
Okay.
The 7s cannot be in this row because there's already a 7 in that row.
7 in that row. 7
in this column. And this column and this row.
Yes.
So we've eliminated every single square in here except for that one. So the 7 has to go there.
Yeah.
All right. You got any other ideas?
Let's see what this 7 adds. Oh.
I picked a basic one, but it's looking like it's not so basic. I thought we were going to be able to solve it pretty quickly. That might not be the case. Oh, I think you can also do the 3 in this one. So then another strategy that I keep doing while Grant tries to figure out where the 3 goes is I'll start running through numbers in each square. So I saw a 1, a 2, and then I thought, oh, I need to find the 3. So now this row is out. This column is out, leaving the only empty spot, that one. All right. Where would some 4s go? I don't think we can do the exact one, but where would the 4s maybe go in that square?
The only places 4s can go is right here and right here. That means.
So we can write them very small in the top corner.
See, that's I kind of like memorizing helps.
Nope, it's better to write it down.
Fine.
All right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can't really find too many other ones.
Oh wait, yeah, wait. Okay, yeah.
So another strategy that I like to do sometimes, I like to look for the squares that have the most numbers filled in, see if I can figure those out. Sometimes I like to look across in a row that has, like this row has a lot of numbers filled in. It's got 1, 2, 3. Now that one might be a 4. Can these two be a 4? Is there any reason why they couldn't be a 4?
No.
No. So those two could be 4 also, so that's not too helpful. There's no 5. But really any of these could be a 5, not too helpful. There's no 6, but this one can be a 6, that one can be a 6, that one can be a 6. There's a 7, there's no 8, but really any of them could be 8. And there is already a 9. So that's another thing I like to do sometimes. Sometimes I'll go this way. Oh, no. 1. We can find 2 boxes that can be a 1s here.
Those.
So this one can't be a 1 because this box already has a 1.
It's this one and this one.
Okay, so put the 1s in those boxes so we don't forget. 1. We already have a 2. We have a 3. We need a 4. So which boxes could possibly be a 4? Bless you. All right. So now here's another strategy, Grant. And that is, if these 2 boxes are the only boxes in this column that can have a 1 or a 4, one of them has to be a 1 and the other one has to be a 4. That means we can't put any other numbers in those boxes. So even if a 6 could maybe go in those boxes, it's definitely not going to, because as soon as one of them is a 1,
the 6 couldn't go,
the other one's going to be a 4.
6 would have to go right in here because this 6 goes right. But it blocks that out right there.
I was just saying a for instance, kiddo.
Oh, yeah.
Where can the 6s go?
Where can the 6s go?
Yeah, because we are missing a 6 in that column.
Well, a 6 could go right here or right here. And a 9 could go.
Can a 9 go there?
A 9 can go there.
Nope.
Oh, yes.
Why can't it go there?
Because we found a new thing.
Okay, so
found
wait,
another
we
new
need to go slowly because we need to explain our thinking, okay? So why can't a 9 go here?
Well, this blocks out the entire square.
There's already a 9 in this square,
You only have
so
a-
we can't put a 9 here.
So that means it's a 6 down.
We already decided that these two are either going to be 1s and 4s. So that I couldn't put a 9 there even if I wanted to. But that also means I can't put a 9 here, even though a 9 actually could have gone there. There's no reason why a 9 can't go there, except that 1 and 4 have to be here. That means
It has to go like
that this is the only square it can go in, which
mean-
means this one has to be 9.
which means this one has to be 6.
Why does that one have to be 6?
That's really simple. The 9 crosses the 9 crosses the 9 goes in one, the 6 has to go in the other. Like you
So
said.
9 was the last number that we had. We don't have any other numbers to try. If we had more numbers to try, then I would not be confident that the 6 goes there.
Yeah.
But since I can't try any more numbers, yeah, absolutely. So the 6 definitely goes here. I'm going to keep going so we can go a little bit faster. There's no 6 here. There's no 6 here. So I need a 6 in one of these two boxes. Since this already has a 6, I'm going to put a 6 here. There's no 6 here. There's no 6 here. That means my 6 has to go here. That means this one that we wrote a lot earlier today cannot be 6 because there's now already a 6.
It's 8.
That means it's 8. So that's why we want to write in the top corner. And now that we have an 8 in this box,
We make sure that it's
we
6.
put a 6 down here. So your hunch was wrong earlier. Now we have a 6 here. We have a 6 here. That means it must be in the middle one. But there's already a 6 here. So it's going to be right smack dab in the middle. Where does the very last 6 go, Grant? We've got almost all of them.
The very last 6 goes.
Which square does not have a 6 in it yet? So something that I'll do sometimes, I like to just go down the rows, top to bottom, because that's how we
I
read.
can do this. It goes right here.
Okay. So now that we've checked, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got all 9 6s, one in every row. Then what I like to do, I like to cross off my 6 over here so that I remember, hey, when I'm looking at any other boxes in this whole thing, I should never try the number 6 because I've already used up all my 6s. And so those are some strategies for Sudoku. We're going to let Grant practice this the rest of the time off screen because it's going to take a little bit of time.
Once I finish this, we'll have it posted. We'll have the picture posted in the comment section of this.
Yeah, we can post a picture when he's all done. But for right now, we're going to say bye and we'll see you tomorrow.